At Auto 360, we want to go above and beyond your expectations with the services that we offer. We have a state-of-the-art spray booth manned by professionally trained technicians. We have a state-of-the-art workshop. We have a brake lathe machine, and it's one that helps you save on your money. You actually don't have to replace your brake disc every time they get bad. You just need to come and rescheme them and put them back on your car and have another 2 years. We have a tire service that doesn't just do alignment and wheel balancing, but actually does all of your tire checks, your tread depth, your tire pressure sizes, and everything. Some of those services are offered to you FOC when you come into the workshop. The machine shop we have actually does fabricate whatever we cannot find as a spare part, and that's exactly what we seek to do here. Always want to go above and beyond your expectations when you come in here as a customer.
Your auto life, our responsibility.